My name is Aiden Flynn. I am from Malaysia. My job here is a culinary trainee.
Hi, my name is Quang. I'm from Vietnam and I've been working in Yume Ramen as a waiter.
Hi, my name is Raja. I come from Indonesia and I'm here in the service team. I plan to work here for internship 6 months, and if I'm able to, I will go on to the Young Professionals program for another 18 months.
Basically what that is I learn everything in the kitchen there is to learn, such as working on the ramen station, working on the cold station, making up the starters, the cold dishes for the restaurant, as well as the helping side, which assists the noodle makers with assembling the noodles for the customers.
And my job here is just like similar as any other typical waiter. I serve food, I take the customer's order and I make some drinks. This is about my 3rd month here and I'll be staying in Zurich for another 3 months to finish my internship.
Some challenges I have here in the service team is time management and having to take on a leadership role as well. This restaurant is really busy and we have so much customers and so much things that we have to account for. And being an intern here, you get the chance to do leadership roles, meaning you can become the manager for a day.
There are some challenges, the most important one being that it's very fast-paced. Even though that's a challenge, it's one of the things that I like the most here because I learn how to be quick, how to be more efficient.
And I have to pick the most difficult challenge I have here is to be able to upsell properly, like when can I upsell and what to upsell.
It was really fun, especially with the international teachers we have.
It's also a very nice place to learn about various cultures from other people, various backgrounds of where they came from, and it's just a very big welcoming community, sort of like a very big family.
In IMA, it's been great so far. I mean, I learned a lot about hospitality and I also got to go on a lot of exciting internships here. So in the future, I would like to finish my bachelor's also in IMI, and after that, I'm planning to do my master's. Ideally, I would want to work somewhere abroad, but I don't mind working in Vietnam.
After the bachelor year, I plan to stay around Europe. I hope to one day be able to attain the executive position or head chef position in either a very finely established restaurant or in a restaurant that I can build up my own.
I plan on staying here for another 18 months in the service team, but after that, my dream is to open up my own business back home.